Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Clipboard sync across devices on Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now click on System. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of Clipboard. You have to click on this. Now you have to turn on the button of Clipboard History. After turning off the button, we'll get the option of Get Started. You have to press on it. Then you have to connect your devices with Microsoft and it will ask you to verify your identity. After the verification is done, your Clipboard data will be synced with all your devices. That's it. So this is how you can enable Clipboard sync across devices on Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.